I have to tell you something. You want to know why you're not getting into the clinical research industry. There are some mistakes that you guys are making that you really need to completely shift your mindset, because if not, you're going to be forever looking and no one's going to care about you applying to these jobs. It's the cold, hard truth. And now within this industry, the market is very competitive. And just because a couple of things that I have noticed, a lot of you guys think that just because you have a master's degree, you are going to be placed ahead of people that actually have hands-on experience in the game. You're sadly mistaken. That's not how that goes. Another thing that I have noticed is some individuals seem to believe if they have, research experience with their professor at a university, especially in the university where I live, that counts for something. I'm sorry, it does not. The sponsors, CROs, and even some sites, they're looking for individuals that already have the experience. So if you think that, again, your master's degree is going to put you ahead of somebody that has experience in the game, that's not going to work. There are actually individuals that have maybe even decades of experience that have been laid off for whatever reason. They're still not able to get the job. So again, what makes you think you're going to get it and you don't even have the hands-on training or experience? That's a mistake. And another mistake that I noticed that individuals are making is they seem to believe they can go from not being in the industry at all to applying to CRA roles. That's not how that goes either. I'm so sorry. You have to start at entry level. And right now in this particular industry, you need to start at the site level. You guys really need to have a different mindset or else you won't make it. Another thing that I have tried to advise individuals on is these companies, they don't have the bandwidth to train you the way you think you're going to be trained. That's not happening. So you have to invest in yourself, and you can't always get something for free. That's not how that works either. I myself have a Healthcare to Research Accelerator Academy, and it's going to teach you everything you need to know to get into this industry. Also, you will be gaining hands-on experience because I've connected with other site owners that will give you that ability to, get the experience that you need, plus the education. So with that being said, you really need to shift your mindset. You got to get out of this almost entitlement thinking that just because you have your education or just because, you've worked on some project, that's going to automatically get you into the door. And that's not how that works. Again, if you're needing more help, more guidance, more specialized training, more hands-on, more, one-to-ones, I offer that. So again, you're going to need this kind of training before you even step into a world you know nothing about. And this is the hard, cold truth. The industry is fast-paced. So again, by you understanding and getting the education first, it's going to alleviate a lot of learning curves. You're going to have the learning curves, but a lot of it you're not going to have to worry about because you have invested in yourself. So do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, ask the right questions, and get out of this mindset that just because you have a degree or you have experience at a university is going to get you through the door, because it won't. You have to demonstrate or even volunteer at these sites so you can get your foot in the door.